Use locking washers with jam nuts to prevent the bolt from turning during assembly by securing it against the target's face. If the bolt still turns, use the hex socket on the bolt's tail end, though it shouldn't be necessary. As you can see, both bolts lock in without spinning once the split washers are under tension. Here's the stack up. It should be loose enough to prevent any binding in the chains. An impact wrench makes assembly easier, but you can also use a 9/16 wrench or a standard ratchet with a socket. Remember, we don't want these fully tightened so they can move properly during use. For this step, you'll need a second wrench to keep the bolt from spinning. Again, it doesn't need to be fully tightened. The remaining bolts, nuts, and washers go into the 2x4 if you're using one. You can also not use the longer chains at all if you're hanging the target in the preferred method using one of our ultra mega hangers. If you missed a step, just replay or back up the video. Let freedom ring.